Express 21 hundredths as a fraction and shade the model. All right, well, 21 hundredths can be written as a fraction just using how I said it. You write out 21 over 100, and 21 hundredths is like literally that. Easy peasy. Now you look at this model, and this whole square represents a whole unit. There's 100 blocks inside of this. So 21 hundredths is going to be me shading 21 of these little tiny squares. So let's do that. Each column or each row, however you want to view it, is going to be a tenth. So here's me shading 10, and here's me shading 20, and here is me then shading 21. So that's how you represent 21 hundredths as a model and a fraction.